Welcome to the Traders Expo. I'm your host, Mark Leibovit, and I have another very special guest for you this morning here at the Traders Expo, Balynd from the tradingbook.com. We just got to know each other, and I want to learn more about your background. Tell me about how you got started and why you're a trader. And
wow, you know, Mark, I am a trader because I love the markets. I do. I love it. I can't even imagine doing anything else. I get a fever for it, and so I love it. And I started out as a mathematician and a neuroscience researcher, but you really don't make a lot of money doing that. And so I changed gears, and then after a while, my husband and I looked at trading, and I thought, how hard could this be? And it turns out to be really, really hard.
You trade with your husband?
I do not. We would probably burn a house down if that happened. So no, we don't. He handles big, long-term investments. I'm with the shorter edge of the shorter edge of the range.
So tell me a little bit about the tradingbook.com.
Well, the tradingbook.com I created to sort of reach out to other traders, because when I started, Mark, I was really bad. I was really, really bad. And the only mistake I didn't make was going all in on margin. Every other mistake I made. And so what I noticed was, you know, there's a lot of information out there, but it's very hard to synthesize and bring it into something simple. And because I spent so much time overthinking everything, I thought, you know what? I'm going to bring this to the space where I can reach out to traders who are really serious, because I am a serious trader, but really, instead of only being excited by the environment, really want to know how to build your portfolio and stop moving through peaks and valleys that are very deep troughs. And that really is all about managing risk. And you know that for as long as you've been in the business. You can't stay unless you know how to manage risk.
You got to get out when you're wrong.
That's exactly right. And it's really hard to say, hey, I'm wrong, I need to get out.
Hurts your ego a little bit.
Oh, terribly.
But it saves the pocketbook.
Yes, it does. It's true. Very, very true.
So tell me about the markets that you trade.
I love the futures market. I stayed away from the futures for a long time because I realized it was very leveraged, and I knew that I wasn't extremely strong, and I knew that it's a great way to get in trouble if you don't know what you're doing in the futures. But I love the futures market. I trade 5 of them: the ES, the E-mini S&P, the NQ, the mini NASDAQ, the YM, the mini Dow, CL, oil, and GC gold. And that's what I do. I look at 5 instruments, and every day I wait for the ones that come right to the levels I'm watching. And if they do what they're supposed to do there, I take the trade. Otherwise, I don't.
Okay. We're going to take a little break here and come back with Balynd, talk more about the indicators she uses, a little bit more about the trades, and how you get in touch with her and follow her work, which I hear is very exciting. We'll be right back after the break.